Me in my kids' room. Me in my daughter bed. Me gonna go in a kids' bed because she have a bed in. Una have to be careful of these blood clot people. When they on internet, I say don't know one no more friend from them. They will dig hole and put on in our life. Karlene. Karlene make your blood clot lie so. Karlene. Karlene, where you tell all of them lie they know. Where you gonna put your Karlene? Karlene, it unglass show say you're a pussy. And Karlene, nobody when me and your blood clot talk. Me not gonna go and tell him say you did say. Come in a blood clot, say so Karlene, you idiot. Karlene, look who you put on your life. Big blood clot, double blood clot, Tanya. I tell you about me and she and blood clot man game. Karlene, you know say Dan have good pussy. You know say Dan a blood clot mix and mingle like blood clot that. You understand? And me here you come a blood clot road in a Brooklyn. And you know my party blood clot life, Karlene. You know say, my name good in a party blood clot. Well, Karlene, you can't garnish me. Karlene, it take more than blood clot you for garnish my name in a blood clot murder. Dirty Karlene with stinking Tanya took 200 together. Make 2 lump of stinking blood clot shit. Stinker than the crab woman blood clot shit out her blood clot mouth. Karlene a dog shit. Karlene, you idiot, Karlene. Answer your blood clot phone. I come from a blood clot like we are going with Tanya. You know, see, I be a blood clot like Tanya tell her, I can't believe Karlene you back it up. Karlene, me, a real blood clot G. Me, a real blood clot girl, Karlene, me. Now, to come out with nobody for my life, to come tell a blood clot lie, to look crowd, Karlene, you idiot. Karlene, the whole America laugh for you, stop it. Karlene, you can't make Tanya clone your blood clot out, Karlene. You idiot. People are gonna laugh for you. If you want, come war me. If you want, come fight. Karlene, stop be an idiot by internet. We live in the same state, and the state, but same borough. Karlene, you idiots. Karlene, you idiot. We have put on your life with this long time. All this liar story. I bring up Marie name, I bring up Puss name, and everybody name. Karlene, that not gone away. Karlene, you say you look hell, but you look blood clot hell. Big up my boyfriend, Pandalai. Karlene, you can't bring me down. Karlene, when we go out, you make it mad, you Karlene. Karlene, me and you are a friend again, why you make it worry you? Karlene, where you go with Tanya? Where you going with Tanya though, Karlene? Karlene, keep smiling. Keep shining. Karlene, you idiots. Karlene, you idiots. Karlene, in a real life, nobody now gonna rate you. You don't see a pussy in a real life. Go with them story there. We are doing double upon your life, Karlene. We are going double. Big up yourself, Nicole.
Big up. Rotten to a blood clot, stinking old Tanya. Tanya, where you make your man end up after make man dress him no blood clot and put on boxers pan him and peep up in him blood clot body all. Boy, you come tell me, say, your man. I can make sure. Go address where your blood clot say you're stinking.
Come cut yourself, Karlene, you idiots.
Right,
Karlene, I'm calling for call me. Karlene, you're a fool. Karlene, you're idiot. Karlene, anybody know say you're a fool. Me no roll with you. Karlene, you're going to try for blood clot. Put yourself in a trouble, Karlene. Karlene, you're idiot.
Right? That's what you say. Rolling say more say blood clot car. Rolling have blood clot, yeah, if you look fan car.
Rolling wants the car for. And for you don't need nobody no plate today, you care for wash.
That is it.
I remember that someone to wash the car for you.
Tanya, go make your Rolling come out with a blood clot car title. Or come out with a house title, Tanya. Come out with something more make sense. Come out with something more make blood clots and instead of you come
from don't know where Karlene go with Tanya. Tanya, you're done. You're internet, you're Instagram blood clot idiots. Everybody laugh for fire. Tanya, come out, come hold up your phone. She afraid them are too mascot by internet.
Right, that's so. Tanya, the
She
whole of your
afraid them
throat
are too
nyam down.
fool.
You
One
throat
fool
nyam
make
down by
many
body
fool.
old Tanya. You're the worst somebody on the internet. Can nobody else not have no sore in them throat? Only you one have sore in your blood clot throat back. Open your
Right
mouth,
this
Tanya,
so.
make somebody look up down in your blood clot throat. Everybody else I walk up and down, and nobody else ever walk with disease. You're the only one we walk with blood clot disease, Tanya. Shit up blood clot, stinking rotten old blood clot, Tanya. Where your throat back shut out no blood
Give
clot, stinking rotten
piece
old.
of it. Give me a piece of
Yeah.
it, Nicole. Tanya, me don't know where you go with blood clot, Marcus. Because when you show me blood clot, Marcus, me say 1 foot tall and 1 foot blood clot, shot, Tanya. Tanya, Marcus, the fuck Beverly and him turn one fuck you. You and your blood clot daughter fight for me in a one blood clot family. How disgraceful are you? Tanya, Rollin breed blood clot, Amanda. And you turn around and chew it and bring blood clot here when Amanda eat you. You understand? Me don't know Karlene put her up on blood clot like none of you can blood clot rub me. Karlene, you have problem bad in America. Broke, hungry, and naked, and you want to follow behind me. Karlene, that's your problem. Broke, hungry, and blood clot naked, and you want to follow behind me. The two little shine, blood clot furniture, them in your blood clot house, so shine like blood clot this. Karlene, your house favor this. And this your house favor, look how this shine. Everything in your house shine like this. And blood clot this, Karlene. Everybody knows say your blood clot friend. Your house coming like a furniture blood clot store. Dirty old blood clot Karlene we walk and fuck like dog. Dirty stinking old Karlene. Nasty dirty blood clot Karlene. Bobby said the way you love fuck. Baby Sart's father name White and you name blood clot White. You can't bring fuck game to me, Karlene. You walk and fuck in a dance and you beg her. Beggy blood clot Karlene with them 64 blood clot teeth in your blood clot mouth. Dirty old Karlene, you're not even a blood clot draws. You come in like Tanya, you pick a right blood clot team for yourself. Karlene, show me a bedded. Karlene, you need a blood clot bedded. Karlene, come off a sponge and go up on blood clot mattress. Dirty naked blood clot Karlene. Or if you talk to me, mix it by 2 arm, churn by 2 pound of oxtail. Give blood clot, mix it for go cook for your blood clot mother. And you take it from Mitzi and cook it for your old blood clot family. Karlene, when we put oxtail in a plate, we don't put 2 pieces, Karlene. When Tiana eat oxtail, Tiana alone eat all 5, 6, 7 pieces. Karlene, we buy oxtail by the blood clot case and we not there on food stamp. We buy food stamp back from hungry belly blood clot people like you. Karlene, you talk about being you the fuck ugly man. Karlene look on baby sauce father, oh I'm ugly now blood clot. If you forgot oh baby sauce father blood clot stay, take a good look on blood clot baby sauce. Dirty fucking Karlene. Me tell you some never want blood clot trace, you know. But you never stop until it blood clot come out. Now, yeah? Yeah, go and rub Nicole. Come and get the extension. Go and rub Nicole.
You a walk, rolling a walk, tone no make no sense a blood clot. Show me something where rolling gear, Tanya, for you there England and the queen up, take care of your blood clot, and you picking them, you have to walk and beg people for pay for uniform for you and your ugly picking them. Move your blood clot here till you say have man in your house. And the man end up buying boxers for your blood clot, man, and tell himself to take off him boxers and tear out him body hole and push up him finger up in a blood clot. Stinking rotten old blood clot, Tanya. Where you and your man a take blood clot fuck. You a take fuck and your man a take fuck. You a sit down pan the cocky and a jump off back and your man sit down pan it and cock up pan it no blood clot. Stinking blood clot, rotten old woman. Where you and your pitney them a fear walk and a beg no blood clot and on the son have a man in a house. You a walk, your man a walk, the pitney them a walk. Every mama blood clot a uno a walk. Uno 6 stomach no blood clot. You have to pick off shit off a blood clot pampers for your pitney. And I talk about you want mine cocky. And I walk up and I talk about how much barrel and something your teeth for blood clot England for carry go Jamaica for mine cocky and cocky gripe you know blood clot. Shut out the back of your throat and end up make your blood clot broke and hungry. Move your blood clot. You can't even buy blood clot pampers but you want mine cocky. Move.
Can't find the extension. Go on, Nicole, make a Nicole clear my extension. I'm putting a knife. phone right.
God, Jamaica, instead of you pay for blood clot, hotel fee and the brother got blood clot, fuck you have to in the room with your pantapa your mother blood clot, either take blood clot, cocky. When Dan God Jamaica dance in the house, stink of blood clot, fuck your fucker, your
Pussy,
mother fuck
oh,
stink
stink
of
a
blood
pussy.
clot.
A pussy, it stinker.
Stink up the whole place and your mama need for go beard. Dirty stinking blood clot, dog shit.
Tanya, Karlene, since you want it, you understand, I give it to you now. I bet you come at the bus stop. Tell me what time, let me not go to work and meet you at the bus stop, Karlene. Yeah, let me tell you blood clot something, Karlene. And from where the enemy are all back in, come here and say, yo, I don't want people to say, you understand, you're your worst friend. And we have done it and we done it and we done it. But Karlene, every time you come out, me say you're going like you have me ticket. Karlene, let me tell you something. Me never fuck none of my mother family member yet. Me never fuck none of Willie blood clot old man friend them yet. You understand? Karlene, you fuck like that till you fuck out your father friend them. Dirty old blood clot, Karlene, when you come America, is a man sent for you, can send for you, can solve for your blood clot mouth. Karlene, cocky because the whole of your teeth them are from garden. Karlene, when you come a blood clot America, you not come with the teeth in your blood clot mouth. Karlene, your girl go from own care blood clot work and go teeth blood clot sheet, Karlene. Karlene, your bed in the mattress, the sponge in your house naked, no blood clot. Karlene, the mattress for the sponge for your bed naked. Karlene, move your blood clot, you need a pillar case. Dirty Karlene, leave out a blood clot 99-cent store. Karlene, them call you Lady Pickens from Pickens Avenue. Cause everything you have on the name, Pickens. Karlene, you want going to some blood clot store. Karlene, you get tea for shoplifting a Swiss blood clot shop. I want the naked sponge, Karlene. Karlene, you better have on a sponge and it blood clot naked. Karlene, every time you go on home care, your teeth crackery. Your teeth nice, your teeth blood clot fat. Dirty Karlene, you have on some long time blood clot clothes I wear. And the old time blood clot clothes, them the dead people, them clothes they in a Karlene. Dirty Karlene, come out and tell everybody where baby star's name. You name white and the man will fuck your name white too. Karlene, you say you're blood clot among that family because your name white. Oh, your baby father and you is no family and his name blood clot white too. Karlene, you fuck till you end up fuck dog. Karlene, you want blood clot, whitey mouth, blood clot, crackhead girl. Karlene, you talk about you wait for me. Ease yourself, Karlene. Hold on, let me give you this. Let me tell you this, Karlene. You see when you did that trace, John Master, me that set for your blood clot, no crutches, drugs, Karlene. Dirty Karlene. You say booby stink and booby sleep on floor. But yet still you take him in back and have him sleep on the blood clot floor. Karlene, you suck cocky down again. Till the crop on the cocky lick out every teeth out of your blood clot mouth. Karlene, none of your brand blood clot man fuck you. You talk about some of my back half and lead up and keep bed you saw. Karlene, you come talk about the hungry man for you that fuck me a movie. You're mad. I only even still book be a sucker from a pussy a blood clot. Because me take ugly man, me not take dirty man. Me take ugly man, me not take stinking man. Karlene, you come out, come tell us say your man dirty and him stink. Karlene, me never fuck an be a blood clot man yet, Karlene. Karlene, me and baby to and when they never fucking at the same house yet. Karlene, when the man never catch blood clot, baby can't fuck me yet. But we come out and say catch your blood clot and fuck your son. Dirty Karlene, you forgot your name, Dan. And me saying you can't still go get your cup of tea a morning time when me go to work. I'm going to make you come to the blood clot train station, come meet me. Karlene, you always look like you're not done blood clot beard yet, Karlene. Karlene, you always look soapy in a blood clot. Karlene, I know me make you shape like caterpillar in your blood clot clothing. Karlene, you look here, tell me who you see look better than blood clot me. And who me grudge. Me don't see nobody where you grudge a blood clot because you can't favor nobody. Me don't know what kind of man your mother take and fuck and get you. Karlene, you resemble a caterpillar with a eater patty but blood clot head. You're ugly no blood clot, Karlene. Karlene, me did don't know so long time so you grudge before Velma give me. Good underneath, good color, nice face. Nice blood clot face, Karlene. Dirty Karlene, cockroach live on your blood clot. Karlene, booby stem eating a blood clot. Karlene, are you fucking a Prospect Park, Karlene? When you want space for fuck, booby fucking a Prospect Park, Karlene. Karlene, you talk about booby have money. Him give you $1 $300, $200, and then you war with him to blood clot. Because you have to use a little 3 day, and a little 2 day. You have to wash dirty clothes from the youngest of blood clot, baby, to the oldest blood clot one where you have Karlene. Dirty Karlene, you come tell me, say, Kevin go live with him baby mother Bronx and him baby mother blind. And one night him come in drunk and end up fuck the blind woman Karlene. Dirty stinking Karlene. Oh, you gonna bring fuck to me, Karlene. Nasty dirty stinking Karlene. Oh, me for boss ya and you come go like your boss way. Karlene, you know boss way, you still up on the blood clot line hanging. Karlene, you know dry yet a blood clot. You're still blood clot wet, Karlene. Karlene, oh, you gonna bring fight to me. Karlene, you have a back you have a blood clot through, Karlene. You have to throw back and run around the ring like a ring, a blood clot, Rosie, Karlene. Karlene, you can't stand up to blood clot, this Karlene. Anytime you feel froggy blood clot, Karlene, come jump. Karlene, I don't even want to stab your blood clot up, I just want to hold you. First blood clot lick me and lick out the 64 teeth out of your blood clot mouth, Karlene. Karlene, you grow people for real teeth, real body, real pussy, real every blood clot thing. Fucking Karlene, when the man did that look here, you never ask him what name. First say your blood clot cause him name white and you name white. When the blood clot you go with Tanya. Anybody want to come from a blood clot like a class who don't come blood clot now. It's reaching a stage where there is no turning back. Karlene, you go like say you have me ticket. Dirty Karlene, you still up on the blood clot line. One clothespin drop off for your blood clot when they hang you up. So you're still hanging on the line with one blood clot clothespin. Dirty thinking Karlene. You have ear, my also ear in the corner there, so where kids gone to college and blood clot left. I want to put them on your monkey. Dirty Karlene. Oh, you mean say you have to wait for me a bus stop, me go make your blood clot. Wait. Yeah, Karlene, but when you wait, try to make sure you can't blood clot booby come. Every day you ball out about booby a drugs man. Booby no drugs man a blood clot. Booby a $1 and $2 blood clot man. We are working class people. We have a check. We have a social security benefit coming to us. When we reach that time, Karlene. Karlene, booby a sit in the blood clot part, blood clot boy. Karlene, you have to fuck for your money from booby. Karlene, don't worry about my pussy because it have label. Karlene, any man that fuck me, love me, Karlene. Karlene, any man see me and say, I me turn around and blood clot look. And when me turn around and look, it's not a dirty man. Karlene, I be a dirty man, fuck you, Karlene. Be a old man, Karlene, come show. Like how you show my man Tony blood clot, Riri. And you show ugly broomy. Come show your blood clot, baby father, baby father. What your name white when you look like twin or blood clot? You and him and baby socks look like 3 little pig, Karlene. You understand? One bill of straw house, one bill of board house, and one bill of where the next blood brick house. Karlene, move your blood clot. You favor a brick house, you're ugly no blood clot. Karlene, where you got me for then, yeah? And my money give me. Karlene, she never lend me no blood clot, $1,000, Karlene. And you talk about people never give you $200. Karlene, me give you 1 to 2 blood clot 100. Karlene, me tired of you, Karlene. Make you switch for me and go to blood clot, wrong bang, cam wrong. You understand, Karlene, let me tell you blood clot something. You and Tanya can't bring me blood clot down. Because Tanya can't cock up so. Tanya can't. Tell Tanya set the blood clot sit down. And you count 1 and make it also 2. And she lift her foot and keep blood clot moving. She can't do it a blood clot. Tanya favor a little short running blood clot hydrant. Tanya fuck like dog. Tanya don't know who the children them belongs to. Tanya fuck her mama blood clot man for nothing. Tanya said, look, baby, Kali, go down there and fuck for nothing. You understand, Karlene, wait for come to me. Karlene, me and the alpha and the blood clot mingle for you. Me at the beginning and the blood clot end for you, Karlene. Karlene, enter you see me have on clothes. You come out and you feel froggy. Karlene, come at the bus stop now. Anytime you get your drink and you smoke and your mind tell us to come at the bus stop, come. Don't make me back some people dance because you can't fight me. Karlene, in a real life, any of you want me and you put it down. You understand? Me know why you got prison. You understand? So me now got blood clot stab you. And me know why you stop it. Karlene, I want all your blood clot and punch up your blood clot like a punching bag. Karlene, you want to put that to the test? You want to put that to the test? Karlene, you're going to run around the blood clot ring like billing, blood clot ring. Karlene, me weigh 215 blood clot pound. You think you eat that to make an old blood clot? Naughty, great, you know, ear on your blood clot front one like you just run, come fling it out. Karlene, my physical fit the blood clot. Karlene, where you go with Tanya? Eh? We are going to fuck up Tanya. Karlene, you want me at the bus stop? You just lick half my head off from a blood clot body. When you go tell me, say you will meet me at the bus stop. You understand? Karlene, lie you tell. Karlene, come when you want come. Don't come when you don't know that you say me gone. You understand? I'm see you and Karlene, I want all you at the bus stop, you say. Run you want me meet at the bus stop. Where want we meet at the blood clot bus stop, dirty old Karlene. Karlene, fuck a man and name white and you name white and your baby name blood clot white. You can't argue with me. Karlene, bring fuck game to me. Karlene, my pussy good. If I'm one man blood clot, tell me some put on a ring for my blood clot finger. To 20 blood clot at year, almost 30 blood clot here. 29 blood clot here. Dirty Karlene, ever fuck a man and keep a man for 29 years. Bobby run left you when him a blood clot 17, 18, 19 year old. And him come back with him 8 ball no blood clot. Stress and kill him, white squall and him out in blood clot. When him go to Prospect Park, go get one cocoa, full blood clot basket, and come back and get a piece of it. Him get Sunday and it done by blood clot money out the Karlene. Money in the bank and we don't know if blood clot do. Money there Jamaica it belongs to we. Karlene, where you talk about Karlene? Hey Karlene. Karlene, me get respect as my friend. I did the rate you as a friend, Karlene. I must say, come out for me look like a pussy, Karlene. Dirty old Karlene, you fuck up the whole of your father friend. Them. Karlene, your pussy is a granny friend. You're 16-year-old, Karlene. You couldn't blood clot breed, Karlene, because you walk with a granny pussy when you was a young girl. Karlene, you never breathe till when you're a senior blood clot citizen, Karlene. You ask me for blood clot burial, Karlene. Yeah, me tell you, say when you ask me, so when your blood clot then me for burial because you start breathing late. Karlene, I know me make quote the name out your blood clot all in your little girl. In your teenage age and your pussy start grow back. And when you grow back, you just start blood clot have children. When you late, Karlene live with teenager age, Karlene. Man love me. Man suck the breast them, Karlene. You understand me? Slip out for your blood clot stomach, Karlene. I know me tell you, say, fuck a man and have a man in your house and him can't ice them up. Right now, Karlene, you go back to your next blood clot surgery. Because I eat too much blood clot food. Good food when I cook. I'm going to put on by the blood clot with I can do what I want a blood clot do. I can go where I want a blood clot go. Oh, we go, Karlene. Karlene did a project and I cause somebody say them to move and tell you. And then you and them be friends. Karlene, me no want a friend from your blood clot, Karlene. Nasty old, dirty old Karlene. Karlene, you still upon the blood clot line. Me wash you and you can't blood clot dry. One of the clothespin drop off for you so you leave hanging on the blood clot line. Dirty Karlene. Nasty Karlene. What about them? So the furniture them in your house, yeah? I saw them stay like this. Your furniture coming like a showcase. Who want to buy this table? Who want to buy this blood clot lamp? Who want to buy it? Mix and match your blood clot furniture. Go with wood, Karlene. You can't have your shine thing like your blood clot out. Because it's only good for blood clot nighttime, dirty Karlene. Who this? Yeah. Hello? 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 Thank you. Yeah. Here come blood clot, boy, Karlene. From other day, just keep blood clot coming. And you keep blood clot coming. Karlene, me fuck good, Karlene. Karlene, when me a fuck it coming like Christmas, Karlene. Karlene, me prefer fuck a ugly man more than a broke man. Baby sauce father favor blood clot placenta the way in blood clot ugly. Karlene, baby star's father can't wash and put for dry. Every minute you're coming with booby pretty. Move your blood clot, boy, booby blood clot pretty. What kind of blood clot pretty? And the little yellow color wine get like me? Move your blood clot and go your pretty man why you, Karlene. In Karlene, Karlene, you're not even good for your fuck, Karlene. Come on, fuck you and hide your Karlene. Karlene, you fuck the man in a party and the man hide you. Know that it burns out you can't see man beg him a spiff anymore. I go, Karlene. Edgar, move your blood clot, Karlene. Me wash you and try dry you, you're still blood clot wet. You're coming like a big fat comfort upon the blood clot line and rain and go blood clot fall. And you running with it, kite look like the rain and go fall. And you put it out blood clot back and get something. Every time it put out the rain set up. Move your blood clot, Karlene. You wet up, you're not dry yet. Move your pussy clot and go, Karlene. Move your blood clot and go, old man, too fainty. You put booby up front like I want booby your blood clot take. Move your blood clot and go, informer. You have a man in the blood clot prison, Green Haven, and do blood clot life sentence, Karlene. And you come go and like say you know blood clot informer. Karlene, dirty Karlene, you used to go Washington and Albert and set up your blood clot robbery. Karlene, you fuck Yankee, you fuck donkey, you fuck all kind of things in America. Leave me, I'm a too nice blood clot man. They will favor brother and blood clot. Brother. Ah. The way the two of them blood clot favor. Karlene, are you come friendly, you know? A Chinese food make me blood clot know you, Karlene. Chicken wing pan blood clot box chicken box cover. Make me blood clot know your dog shit. How you want come, Karlene? Really? I got meet me at the bus stop because you want me there. Meet me at the bus stop. I got sweep some of the blood clot bus stop. And from there, I start wearing my blood clot uniform, got blood clot work. And it's a reason why I wear it, go. And it's a reason why I wear it, blood clot, come, Karlene. Come in and wear blood clot uniform, got work. Karlene, come meet me at the blood clot bus stop, Karlene. Karlene, yo. Me now ask Christ, Karlene. Anytime you see me, Karlene, and you feel froggy, jump, Karlene. Me know. Me not ask nobody this. You can't deal with me physical. Me no want to stab you up. Cause me have more to lose than you. But remember, me tell you this big pussy. Old pussy, rocking dolly pussy, blood clot, old man Karlene. With the 64 dentures plate in your blood clot mouth. Where your mouth can't do like this. Come, Karlene, come. Karlene, your favorite pot cover upon a blood clot, small pot. Move your blood clot. You coming like them old time self-eater eye and you're black, ugly, and stay bad, no blood clot. Pay plastic ear pan you like a Halloween time. All in a January, February, March, in a the plastic ear, them you're ugly, no pussy clot. You roll up like when a man a bill a blood clot, spiff and too much weed in one place in it. Dirty stinking Karlene, you need a bed head. Dirty stinking Karlene, you need a blood clot mattress. Nasty Karlene, you need some furniture. Karlene up here then you in your house and some pretty. Karlene in a blood clot marker. And a drapings again, a blinds in a good house. Move your long time old man blood clot, curtain looking blood clot set with your 99-cent blood clot furniture them. Nothing in your blood clot house do not reach $1,000. Karlene, how it go? Corona come in and it kill out a lot of people. And Corona come in and make you have a living room can't show up. Dirty Karlene, leather face Karlene, wetty blood clot Karlene, how it go? Karlene will fuck your blood clot cousin or your brother or your uncle and breed in you name white, baby name white and the man name blood clot white. Now bring fuck game to me. Karlene, you come America with them now. Karlene, you come America without no blood clot teeth. Drakes and the big cocky lick out your blood clot teeth. Karlene, you was that girl. You're that girl. You understand? Don't go like you're this girl. You're that girl. Karlene, you come here without a mother. You come here without a father in America. You bounce, you struggle, you roll, you twist, Karlene. And where do it put you? Shelter. Where put you in the project calling from a band? Me no blood clot struggle. Me prefer take ugly more than pretty and blood clot broke. Calling so long it take you. It's every day you drama out calling. You want to do 7 days of blood clot with dirty calling. Calling every day me hear you get up. Pretty blood clot man like booby. Where palm booby blood clot pretty? Tell me now. Where? Me can't see under him. But the outside when me a blood clot, see that kind of pretty man. Me not like pretty blood clot face, me like the pretty blood clot money. Eh? Calling you know busted cause you still have man asleep on floor. Calling you know busted cause you still asleep on floor. Calling you know busted cause you have to hold cocky in your hand and suck it. Calling you suck cocky but you're not expert. Calling some of you see no bus where you bus. Eh? Calling I make your name TG blood clot calling. You can't hear me when my name Gangsta blood clot down. Because the man them rate me and fuck me. And everybody call me gangster. Calling you do all of the dudes them in America. Calling you 63 blood clot year old. You have 2 blood clot more year to go on retirement. And the government still don't know you calling. You come here and you waste your time. So all the call you talk about your 3 and your 4 American children. It better if you did never have none like diary. How it go? I go. Calling, how it go? Calling, how it go? What's your tax return? What's your social security number? When you reach 65, where you going to get your benefit are from? You're still going to be a welfare recipient. You're still going to be on food stamp. Calling, I have to work for you to be surviving. How it go? Calling, you're still going to be on the sponge. You're not going to get a mattress. So if you want to talk to me, make sure me stay with a bed and a mattress. Yeah. Make sure you come out of the 2-bedroom where you have the 4 children them in a plus your daughter make 5, 2 grandchildren make 7, and you and Bobby make 9. Move your blood clot and me and stuck you alone in here. Keys gone to college and Benito gone with him woman. Wendy live by herself. Oh, we go Karlene. Karlene, how the love come out and class good blood clot people. So Karlene. Karlene and me boss you, I know you boss me. Karlene the Brazil where you have a me get it name double cup push up. And me give you it. How it go? Joan Master here draws me here Brazil. How it go? Hey Karlene, you know boss it. You still there the blood clot kind of store and I smoke the 50-cent cigarette them. Stress. 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 Oh God. Oh God. Karlene, you need to go look at J.O. Blood Clot B. Karlene. Karlene, you ever give me a book for read it? I can't blood clot read it. Karlene, if you did have blood clot since today, Friday night, you will have 63 blood clot, you will. You don't know if you go married to a blood clot man and get some papers. Karlene, you cuss Bobby, say Bobby not help you. I'm going to Bobby subject now. Hold on there. Well, I'm going to Bobby line now. I want my eyelash. Yeah, Karlene, you ask for it. I say, gotta meet me at the bus stop. So, meet me at the bus stop. I got Karlene. I know, you meet me at the bus stop. When? Tomorrow? All right. Make it a date and don't be late. And when they're at the bus stop, show the whole internet say they're at the bus stop. So them can text me and tell me, so you're at the bus stop waiting. So when I reach the bus stop, I prepare for you, Velma name brand. Move your blood clot. You're still up on the line. You talk about brush and rusty. Say, oh, this. Oh. You talk about brush and rusty and brush and crusty. Karlene, you know for call nobody name at rusty and rusty. Karlene, me say, I have one little frack the other day, you double up like a blood clot caterpillar. Karlene, the plastic ear for your ear just a shine like a looking glass. Karlene, move your blood clot and go if come argue with me. Karlene, me with your name TG. Karlene, when you're in the dance, you wipe up everybody spit off of the blood clot floor. Here's a backer scupper. Where? Nicole. Tanya, you're back.
borrow a blood clot fuck out a body hole. You borrow a lick out a body hole and it end up blood clot destroy your throat. Dog shit, you know, it's your time for you to pack up your blood clot mouth and your blood clot hole and run away. You say you come off of the internet. Yet you
Every
come back
year.
on the internet again.
Every year.
Every time she come on, she says she'll come off of the blood clot internet. You know, she said the internet eat you. The internet eat you no blood clot, I eat me, I eat down. Sorry about that.
Yeah,
The
boy.
internet
Yeah,
eat you.
remember, get a piece of rubber until you go and eat. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
when me tell you to come, you come back
Yeah.
here. Tanya, you come in like a piece pot. Tanya, all you do is teach your children them for so cocky. As little as Kalia is, she know how for so cocky, because she see her suck rolling cocky and think it's a good thing. And suck the blind man, blood clot cocky. The dirty man where you're there with the wash blood clot plate and map out blood clot teaching. The whole of is a no education blood clot. Pack up one blood clot plate. Like when bedbug a blood clot breed for start distribute. Una destruction in a blood clot UK. Dirty Tanya, me go your blood clot here at Jamaica. You come talk calling. Both me and Tanya are friend. You know what is blood clot, friend? Eh? Me meet this blood clot crosses, blood clot destruction carry a peace pot. I also bring spear destruction to my blood clot life. And you come go on like you come defend and calling, don't make me and you go down that line to blood clot. Calling, don't make me and you calling. So me beg you. Me beg you. Me beg you to blood clot. The way me beg you think say me a pussy. Calling the way me beg you check say me a pussy. You come on, who me meet you at the bus stop. Calling I want you come at the blood clot bus stop to say calling. And I will you send on my blood clot and I'm pop off for your blood clot calling. Let me tell you, this is my country. This is my country. Me I send you back a blood clot. Jamaica go do this. Bite off your blood clot fingernail. How many people them there on all them they with them they did blood clot there. Calling God eat you. Jesus Christ of Nazareth eat you. Your mama blood clot dead and you never see her face. Your papa blood clot dead and you don't know how in blood clot bury. Bad to bad needed go down there go Smith a will in our blood clot casket. Calling you come talk about your paper trail. For sure you give me money. Move your blood clot and where you all ask me for lend Bobby money. For the blood clot start and I tell you I don't have it. All the blood clot you forget. Bobby said, hey Karlene, Karlene, leave me alone here. Mine a ton RT Alexander, your blood clot today, oh, blood clot for Karlene. Karlene, you are set up your blood clot, man, for rob me. Karlene, you are set up your blood clot, man, for things them can fuck me. But you forgot, I'm gonna fuck them kind of dirty man there. You suck out and him suck your pussy. You bust it out and him bust it out. The two on it is dog shit. Good evening.
Look how who she go hook up with. Tanya, remember, say, from you go to Jamaica and them lick out your blood clot throat. You notice how you attack and your voice never come back because the whole heap of corruption in your blood clot throat back. And that's why you're talking like that, Tanya. Your throat never recover blood
Uncle
clot.
Karlene, man, but you will meet her at a bus stop or a train station. Karlene, I dares you. The early morning, the way you come for meet me at the train station, it done turn red morning. Karlene, where you going to shoot me? Because you not shoot, where you going to do? A back you go fling, Karlene. You can't fight me. Karlene, you have to fling back and run up and down. And that's the only bet you're going to do because hear what happened. But no, you can't confront me. You can't make me see like this. You can't come in front of me.
She's not going to show up, Dan.
She keep Karlene an idiot. You think Karlene an idiot? I was born in this country. I am an American. I am an American. Karlene, you're mad, no blood clot. Hey, Nicole, you saw me a spoon feeder. You saw me a spoon feeder. And everybody has said, Lord, Karlene, every minute Karlene come for Don. Don't pay Karlene, no man. Karlene, move your blood clot and go. When you come round me, you see happiness, you sad no blood clot, Karlene. Move your blood clot and go. You sad like when the doctor diagnosed somebody with blood clot cancer. And them no want to tell them family, them just keep fretting and praying. Move your blood clot and go, Karlene. You still hang on the blood clot line, Karlene. Karlene, you can't dry. Me soap you up on the soap each hand on your blood clot. I'm going to put you out on the line for when rain and fall, you get wash off. Move your blood clot as we call it. Thunder roll and one of the clots post in lick off. You're still hanging on one blood clot side. I mean, no, take you up.
She can't see where she go wrong.
Yeah.
And where she go wrong, she up on the line. And the woman up on the line with her.
Yeah.
And the woman cast it, that's Uku up on the line. And she never hang up Uku. And cast a train load of people
yeah.
up on the blood clot shot. And every time she come out for people, she come out for everybody else but the woman who she up on the chat with.
Yeah. You come out of Cuss. Where's your Cuss brassy for? My ask her, where's your Cuss? My ask her, you know, where your Cuss coffee for? She can't talk. I know she not Cuss Uku bit, you know.
Right.
I know she not Cuss. Where you go Cuss brassy for?
But you can't Cuss Ukubit because Ukubit is not the problem. I hope have Ukubit all.
Listen.
I hope she forgot to.
Calm down now and talk to you. And let me hear you talk, Nicole. Nicole, that's the reason why, you know, I said me nah cuss her, you know. I don't care what, me nah cuss her. And the reason why I'm saying I care when me nah cuss her, hope is a blood clot mix up. And hope did a look accident for happen. You understand? But Karlene never wise and think fast and swiftly. And say, boy, why this woman a question me about my friend? You know what hurt me? Really blood clot bothers me. When Karlene come back and said, listen what bother me, you know. Oh, like she want to say me a money body and Kim called police. She blood clot up, yes. Like she want to say me a money body and Kim called police pan falling. No. Swear upon everything when I own. Swear upon all of my children, them blood clot life and grandchildren, them. We don't come yet. You understand? I would never do that.
Then, like that then, can me believe it?
Yeah, wicked to blood clot, wicked to the two girl them and me. Then to blood clot come back. Even Karlene go ask me, Dan, when me grudge blood clot over Nicole, come to me now. Nicole, be honest. Me not vex, I me not cuss you, I me not feel nowhere. Me want somebody to come tell me the truth. Because maybe me I think wrongly, I me not think rightly. Look at me and look at Hope. Where could I look at Hope and say Dan grudge Hope? No, come up with the truth, my girl. Come up with the truth.
Real talk. Me go start from head to toe. You have a clean skin, number one. Your teeth them in your mouth look good, number two. Go down to the body, you have a decent size breast, your belly flat, not at all. You don't need to grudge your woman.
All right, go down to credential. Me is a citizen of America. Me have a husband. Me have all of my children them around me. Who don't respect our blood clot children them there. Nicole, touch apart the female man.
Plus,
you never send your hope status. Never send your hope status. You understand? Come and look it up. Hope never have a social. Hope never have a work permit. Calling you disrespectful, no blood clot.
Listen, I true what the truth. The truth is the truth.
Karlene, you're wicked to me, no pussy clot, Karlene. Karlene, then I saw me that sit on a blood clot, rock top or any blood clot top. I drink a blood clot champagne and I look to the side, so and you poison me for blood clot, hope. Karlene, hope not in my blood clot category.
Karlene forgets that she always talk about the sinking of your blood clot back.
Yeah. Karlene, you're wrong, no blood clot. You're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. You're wrong like how you fuck the man when you're white and bring a little baby soft name white on our tree blood clot white. Hey, Karlene, move your blood clot cell boy name white. You're up on the line hanging off with one close bit. I'll wait for the next thunder to clap and clap off your blood clot and make you drop in the mud. Move your blood clot and go, Karlene, you're not done dead yet. Out of order.
She know, man. She know, but she just said
your blood clot, Karlene, because you know say you're wrong. You know say you're wrong, and my sister you're wrong. And the love when I have for blood clot, you understand, you come out and you disrespect me from my worst day. When I go on a surgery, you understand, I'm let it blood clot. Go, you think you're going to make it come out every Sunday and ride me. Move your blood clot with your no beard, non-beard, dirty man, booby. Bring him on, come cuss me now.
She knows that she wrong, man, because who is the problem is Hope. And she a Hope them on the phone call. You understand?
You then will see you later.
And if Hope allow who could be for dead and other people panic, I Hope are the problem.
And she go on like saying, yo, let me tell you something. You see me, Nicole?
Yeah.
Me come to you. I'm going to come to you with truths. I'm going to come to you with rights. You understand? Me and you shouldn't have a problem. Because you don't know me and me don't know you.
Right.
Bitch, dirty Karlene, stinking mouth Karlene, so cocky, no teeth and gumbaless, dirty woman. Nasty Karlene, fucking dirty old man when I have no social, I have nothing now. You don't have no blood clot life. You're naked and broken out with no blood clot, Karlene. Stop using the word blood clot, friend. Me don't want a friend from you. Me hate you. You go with blood clot Tanya this morning with one bag of blood clot lie. Boom. Puss come now in a it now. You understand? Put everything where we're on puss have under the blood clot corner. And say Gangsta done. Karlene done. Listen to Nicole. I don't tell you. I'll be the biggest one. I'll be a big person. I fucking call her. I call her now. After all is said and done, you know, I call fucking ugly ass bitch. And I call her was to say to her, listen, Karlene, we're going by the morning can't come good at evening. You understand? You violate me from my worst day when me in a surgery. So here what happened. We're going to just keep it pushing. You go your way, me go my way. The fucking bitch don't answer. I call her blood clot man, Bobby. Penny dime, nickel blood clot, catch our blood clot bag, blood clot boogie. Bobby, where the money can blood clot pay rent. $1, $2, $5 silver blood clot, Bobby. Yeah, and say, they are trying, every time him call him, I look somebody. But call him now, for talk to him, you know. As a man in our house, say, Bobby, tell your baby mother, say, listen now, me I call her on a different level, you know. You understand, Carl? Just make it go on. No,
big woman,
you come out.
Yeah,
real big woman thing, yeah. You understand? You come up on a different, so good girl, anything or anything.
That's the right thing to do. I make this thing done. Because you know what?
Hey, you know how fool she is, Nicole? As somebody come upon her life, them say upon her life, you know she have enemy. Me have enemy. As somebody come out upon her blood clot life, calling down a cuss. Here I know, what big pussy cartel give me 1,000 blood clot dollar. Just for look for my blood clot body and say, Dan, you look like your pussy little bit so. So all the blood clot you get big, Karlene. And you say a man cocky at 13 inches blood clot long. Me not take 13 inches blood clot cocky. Me like tickle my hole, make me feel blood clot good. Me not have no big pussy for putting a ramacan in a like what Tanya love ramacan down in a blood clot throat. Come with a little bit of nice and comfortable. Me like little nice and blood clot comfortable. Me not like big, strong and strangler. Come in, I want nobody for stronger. My pussy old Karlene. Karlene, you fuck big cocky till your pussy tongue tear out. Karlene, you don't have no tongue in your pussy. You have too long, dilapidated blood clot pussy jaw. Well long like drunk blood clot wing. And in your pussy black, Karlene. Like them put astar. I will them call it for Jamaica. Asphalts.
Yeah.
Asphalts in like blood clot. Oh man, nobody know why you stick to blood clot, booby. Cause every man fuck you, eat you. Karlene, I forgot your baby father. Where they run a castor. Karlene, you talk about baby sauce father mine. And you talk about room ugly. Make we touch a subject, the Karlene. Me prefer ugly man, blood clot fuck me. More than man fuck me and eat me and blood clot breed me. And turn around saying eat me. And the government have to drape him up, fight him, kick him down, bust up him head, bust off him pocket, and beat him and tie him up and sentence him. For blood clot, give me money, so you get baby sauce money. And baby sauce money still not coming out your hand. The welfare government, them have to fine him, come run away. Sentence him to murder. Sentence him for pregnancy without father. Sentence him for pregnancy, children dying of hunger. Sentence him for children sleeping on the sponge and in blood clots. You rather I'm not sure if I'm guilty, but you slap me with so many charges that I will pay. I will pay. How do you pay? You want to pay? I will pay to the welfare government because I don't want this girl to see my check. Oh, it got drunk.
And clear example, the same thing we got on with Brassy and she. You know, so that the word they shouldn't go on with Brassy and she. Who could be go from Brassy live and who could be to argue, right? Who could be to talk what you need for talk? Brassy, clear it up, you know. Brassy jump on. Brassy was on the live. Brassy, clear it up and said to her, say, who could be it? No, whatever you said never go like that. She only come on the live and she only tell me, say, the bucket book never match the dress. That's all Brassy say now. You see, when she over on the other side now, hear what them tell her. One whole heap of thing. Brassy and rub you out, Brassy this, Brassy that. And she on the other and never listen to what Brassy say now. But you start rub Brassy.
Then the girl go on with this morning.
Yeah. Me know enough of that go on.
You know, say that the girl go on with this
morning.
After all is said and done, blood clot, Lego me name. You understand because you make over pressure like you a jute box. Somebody said down over there pussy. She talk about big pussy down from Wild Man Street. Karlene go Wild Man Street go ask the big pussy down and everybody tell us them no know her. No, ask for groom the blood clot down her stucky wife and they will say they know you. There's no big about that.
Because you could be to that talk one whole heap of thing, you know, we're worse than where Brassy said. And Brassy said, no, that she did say. She did only come on and say one thing. This dress not fit the pocketbook not fit the dress. And that's all she did say.
Yeah, who is supposed to want dress somebody in a pocketbook?
Said because Brassy had
hope never saw a receipt yet. Hope have some pocketbook. Listen to me now, Nicole.
Yeah.
Hope have some valuable stuff. Pocketbook that value 15,000. You can pawn that $15,000 pocketbook for 5,000.
Yeah.
Hope have some pocketbook that value 10,000. You can pawn that $10,000 pocketbook for 3,000. Or have some pocketbook that value 5,000. You can pawn those pocketbook for 1,500. Or have some eyeglasses in our stuff that she's showing that value 500. You can take it to the pawn shop and you get $200 for it. You understand? Opa suffer no blood clot.
And that may I tell you down because when them people sit down in a pocket and put on pocketbook on them and sit down in a them owner drawers and them close them, nobody no want it a blood clot. We're and left that in a blood clot garbage. Them stain up blood clot clothes.
In America a long time you said Joan Master and them people that boss you because them did have money. What it take you for sister over fake? No, I mean I want to come disrespect you, see me, and you are a friend, I mean I road go take the train, I mean I road, but Karlene me take it for if me live to see 65-year-old, them can't send you come wash my pussy and drink the water. You understand? But you won't be able to come. You know why you won't be able to come? The government never give you a social and it never give you a work permit to blood clot work. Make we do the maths now, Karlene, because guess what happened? Me like cussing after me don't cuss, me break it down. Break it down. Karlene, you're 63 now. What age them retire a woman in America, Nicole?
65.
Yeah.
And some stuff.
Stop not going further. 65. How long you have to work for Social Security to pick you up? You have to put in at least 10 years. Karlene, you're sure you're going to live for the next 10 years? Come here, 55 December, you know. I mean, I hope and pray and beg God to make me live for the next 10 years. So I can get the Social Security benefit. So I can drive in an Ashbash car. I can go down to Florida. I can go to hotel, go get the titty them tighter. Because every time you put on weight, I go suck out the body. Every time I put on weight, I go suck out the body. I not run pan up, dream now, lasket ban and these things. But we use my little soap for burn the cellular for me. Because sometimes I never remember some of it. Karlene, you think you can work in another 10 years? Forget your Social Security benefit. And Karlene got big onion and blood clot, girl, you can't swallow it because you can't get a prescription drugs. So it can go and cleanse out your blood clot system. So you can live even look 1 year longer than where your blood clot time is and come off of me. But you go come fight me. Big dirty 60-odd-year-old woman I go see me gone on my blood clot work. Tell me what the judge I go tell me now. When me get 1 strokes blood clot or Karlene. What the judge I go tell me have on my uniform. That's how I wear my uniform go. I'm wearing my uniform come because I want you to come. I say any night you see me at any party and you feel froggy, don't take up 2 backline depend. Because guess what happen? Me now go take up 2 or 1 me I go take off. And when I lick it off so I just want to hold it because I take you out. Me I take you out. If I hold it in my hand, me I take you out. No blood clot ask question Karlene. Me not take up 2. 1 alone me I take up. So you can pat them up under your arm because I know so you're idiot. Karlene, me no booby tell myself to beat you, you know, Karlene. Booby tell myself to lick out your blood clot. You can't
step
fight.
in a party. Yes, you're in the party them.
Any party, me see her. She cannot fight me, Nicole. Me not ask you, Nicole.